There are three different kinds of carbon fiber fabric here. This is called the vertical, and that's because you can see the bands of carbon fiber run this way. They're held in alignment with threads that run this way, but it's strongest in this direction. This one is what's called the horizontal. So same idea, except the bands of carbon fiber run this way, and the holding threads run this way. So it's strongest in this direction. And this is called the bidirectional. And you can see it has a tightly woven network of carbon fiber bands in both directions. So it gives overall strength. Now I'm applying the epoxy adhesive, the stuff that's designed for securing the carbon fiber. I'm going to be just getting it on the surface here and then rolling it out. I want to make sure that the masonry is completely saturated, so I'm going to have to go over this a few times in order to completely wet the surface. The idea here is that I bond the carbon fiber with the epoxy that I've put on, but I'm also going to put on some more too, because I want this to be completely saturated with the epoxy, because this is where the real strength comes. When this is all set up, it's going to be stronger than the concrete blocks itself. The blocks will break before this bond does. Different versions of this same Rhino carbon fiber product can be used for specialty applications. This banding is reinforcing a failing concrete corner. Here you can see the bowed wall kit, which is used to stabilize a wall that is bowing inward from soil pressure. These are called stitches, and they're a carbon fiber product for extra heavy-duty reinforcement of cracks. You set one of these into the crack across it and then fill it in with epoxy as part of an extra heavy-duty repair. So we're all set out here to do a stress test of this Rhino carbon fiber crack repair system. These are the two blocks that you saw previously in the video. I've got the bidirectional carbon fiber on here. On the other side, there's the unidirectional, so it should be strong as we pull it. I've got some straps in here, 1/4 inch thick. They're going through the joint line. And then we've got a tractor here and a tractor to my left. And we're gonna see how hard we can pull on this thing. Now, I have also filled the blocks with concrete because I was afraid that these straps might just pull through the webbing on the concrete block. So we're all full. We're ready to put some stress on this. I thought something was going to break here. Maybe the blocks, the center part, but as you saw, there's absolutely no breakage at all. It's flipping around like I don't know what. We've bent the straps. You saw the wheel spinning. We just can't get it apart. So I think it really is true what they say, that this stuff is stronger than the masonry that it reinforces.